ready to transform your ideas into a stunning and powerful online presence, all without breaking a sweat. You're in the right place. In this comprehensive, step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through building a professional and functional website using WordPress, the world's most popular website builder. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and the know-how to launch your dream website. First things first, let's get your foundation right. We'll start by understanding the essential building blocks, choosing a domain name that's memorable and relevant to your brand, and then selecting reliable web hosting that will keep your site running smoothly. Once your hosting is set up and your domain is pointed correctly, the magic of WordPress truly begins. We'll walk you through a simple, one-click installation of WordPress onto your hosting account. It's far easier than you might think. Now for the creative, fun design. We'll explore how to choose and install a stunning WordPress theme. Think of your theme as the blueprint for your website's look and feel. We'll show you how to select one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and user experience goals. With your theme in place, it's time to bring your content to life. We'll dive into creating essential pages like your homepage, About Us, and Contact page. You'll learn how to add text, images, and even videos to make your content engaging and informative, all within the intuitive WordPress editor. But what's a website without functionality? We'll explore the power of WordPress plugins. These are like apps for your website, allowing you to add features like contact forms, social media integration, or e-commerce capabilities. We'll show you how to find, install, and configure the most essential ones. Finally, we'll cover crucial steps like optimizing your website for search engines, so your audience can find you, and ensuring your site is secure and backed up. You'll be ready for launch with a professional, functional, and compelling online presence. So, stop dreaming and start building. Your professional WordPress website awaits. You've got this.